In this tutorial we are going to have a look at the Turbo Simulator. It is made for those huge 3D milling programs that are post-processed by a CAM software. They contain thousands of blocks with small segments to create a 3D surface and are normally too large to simulate in the ordinary simulator as it would take a long time to run them. Because of this we have created the Turbo Simulator. It has a limited CNC code interpreter and bare-bone graphics, and it runs very fast through thousands of blocks. Let us load a demo program with over 19,000 blocks. As you can see, the CNC codes have no coloring and there are no pop-up when moving the mouse over them. This is to improve performance for long programs. Instead of clicking the play button, we can start the Turbo Simulator from the Simulate menu. The program first gets pre-processed. Now we can click the play icon to start the simulation. At the bottom of the screen you can set the simulation speed. At max speed, the simulation only takes seconds to finish. You can select if you want to see the workpiece or the toolpaths. Now you know how you can use the Turbo Simulator for very long programs. Please keep in mind that it is not made for handwritten shorter programs, as they often have G-codes not supported by the Turbo Simulator. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to make sure you don't miss future tutorial videos. Have a great day.